Here's what you can do if your storage is full on your Android phone. Let me show you and guide you through it. If you are first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Okay, so when you get a pop-up, the annoying one that the storage is full, what you have to do at first would be by going to the settings and checking out the device care, where you can see the current situation about your storage, battery, memory, and so on. So you want to go to the storage and see the little breakdown. Sometimes it's going to show you that you are full and that there are some large files which you cannot delete. Sometimes you have less options, but at first I would manage the recommendations below. So there is the trash folder for multiple different apps. If you deleted something and if it's still in trash, you can remove it and free up some storage. Then we have some duplicate files which might be taking up the storage as well, with the same file being there twice. So you can get rid of those. Then we have some large files, which are usually like videos or different file types, which, you probably want to keep, or at least you know that these are the files which you perhaps should move or back up to a different place and perhaps free up the space this way. It gives you a nice breakdown of that. And also some apps you haven't used, so some unused apps might be taking up a lot of storage. And if you haven't clicked on them, if you haven't opened them for months, then it would probably make sense to get rid of those to free up the storage. So obviously just go through these settings and these things to make sure that you get enough storage back. But that would be the first thing. Outside of that, I think it's also a good idea to go to the settings and apps. When you scroll through the apps, especially those which you use the most, you always have the ability to tap on the more information about it. And for example, you can go to the storage. And usually there is going to be some cached files as well as data which you can clear. When you clear cache, you're not going to lose anything because these are just temporary files which doesn't really matter long term. So you can clear the cache for basically all of the apps to free up some storage. But there are also some data which gets stored in here. This is a little bit of a different thing. You might be careful about it, but if you don't need some stored data from your apps, you can as well get rid of those, and usually you're going to be fine as well. It depends on the application. For example, some projects in a video editor app or something which you've been working on is going to be saved as the data belonging to that app. But if you are okay with clearing that, it is another way to free up some of the storage on your device without even having to go too deep inside of your storage manager. So that's another tip I would have for you. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future videos.